I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by isolating the symptom: no power, no sound, or poor reception. Check the 10A radio fuse in the underdash fuse box and the 15A accessory fuse in the engine bay, replacing any blown fuse. Verify battery voltage is near 12. 6V and accessory circuit reads 12V with the ignition on to ensure proper supply. Confirm the antenna connection is seated, and AM/FM reception improves when touching the coax to identify a loose. With the battery negative disconnected, use a plastic trim pry tool to remove the dash bezel. Avoid metal tools to prevent damage. Remove two 7mm bolts securing the radio, then gently slide the unit forward to access the wiring harness and antenna connector. Inspect the harness for corroded pins, bent tabs, or aftermarket adapters causing intermittent connection, and check the back of the stereo for water intrusion or foam debris that can short circuits and cause audio issues. Before reinstalling, clean connectors with electrical contact cleaner and apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Reconnect the antenna and harness, tighten radio bolts snugly, do not over-tighten, and reconnect the battery negative. Test power, speaker output to each channel, AM/FM reception, and Bluetooth pairing functions while the radio is accessible to confirm repair. If the factory head unit is defective, install a compatible aftermarket unit using the correct Toyota wiring harness adapter. Then refit the trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.